For the week of February 8th through the 12th and in reading. If you take a look at that question right up there, you can see that this week in reading we are focusing on how readers can use evidence, so details from the text, to support an author's point on a topic. So we will be introduced to some nonfiction or informational text, and we have to decide how our author feels about the topic. What is the point they're trying to make? We also have to use some evidence to support our thinking. So when we look at Monday, during our live meeting, we're going to take a look at a text and we are going to talk about our author's point, right? The reason and some evidence to support. After our meeting, you are going to go on to read this text right here. It's also located in that large Wonders book that you have. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's this one right here, right? And it's titled A New Kind of Corn. So you will read that text and then respond to this discussion board. Please make sure that you read through the discussion board carefully, all the directions, so you make sure you earn full credit for your response. After that, you'll see that we're going back into vocabulary. We took a short break focusing on grammar, and now we're back into vocab. So we have your day one vocab word there, and then the words and definitions are right here for you. On Tuesday, I know that a majority of you will be on campus to complete your benchmark assessment for reading. You will not have any additional assignments due in reading for Tuesday. On Wednesday, during our live meeting, we're going to take a look at a second informational text, and we're going to talk about the author's feelings and the author's point they're trying to make in the text, along with evidence to support. After that meeting, you guys are going to read this short text. Should we explore space? Absolutely. You are going to complete the graphic organizer. This is similar to the one that we did in our live meeting, and then you're going to submit that here. You can recreate this graphic organizer on a sheet of notebook paper if you do not want to print it. It is a simple T-chart. So open it, take a look, and you can recreate that if you need to. Again, you have your Vocab Day 2 video. And as always, we encourage you to read for 25 minutes, a book of your choice. On Thursday, we're going to use the text that we read yesterday together in our live meeting to answer some FSA style multiple choice short answer questions. After that, on your own, you are going to read this text, Should We Settle the Moon? You have some FSA style multiple choice and short answer questions, very similar to the ones we did in our live meeting. And then you have your Vocab Day 3 video and reading for 25 minutes. After that, to wrap up our week on Friday, in our live meeting, we're going to focus a little bit on the writing that you guys did throughout the week. And then on your own, you're going to apply what you've learned to read the text titled The Price of Curiosity. You can see that right here. As you read, you can complete the graphic organizer if you choose. So it's here, that is optional. It's the same graphic organizer we used on Wednesday. You do have some questions to respond to. They're multiple choice and short answer. And then you have your Vocab Day 4 video and reading for 25 minutes. That is our week in reading. Let me know if you guys have any questions.